Well, relief is filling the town of Heidenheimer after another successful fix. Construction at the Heidenheimer Bridge is now complete along FM 436.
We need some good news here. The project had been at a standstill for nearly 2 years. 6 News reporter Sydney DeShawn has been on this story for months now and is live in studio with reaction from the community for us tonight. Hi, Sydney.
Hey, Chris and Lindsay. People are relieved and grateful that the bridge is finished and back open for drivers. This all after the community reached out to our Fix team. Back in March, Ronnie Wilcox and his wife Candace spoke with 6 News about the unfinished FM 436 bridge project in Heidenheimer.
We drive by this, if not daily, every other day, and it's just disappointing. Don't look like it's ever going to be done.
2 years ago, this project was at a standstill.
Right.
Did you think this was ever going to get completed?
No, we did. We figured it would some year, 2 years. Goodness gracious, it's finally done.
6 News pressed for answers on the holdup.
When we reached out earlier and got in touch with Channel 6 and they did an investigation on it, they got hold of TxDOT. They got a contractor to work on it and everything.
A new contractor resumed construction in April.
It was just a disaster area before, and they finally got all that covered. And the bridge is safe now. There's no points on it where anybody can get hurt. Cars can't fall off.
The Wilcox family tells me they were shocked to see it finished.
I told my husband, honey, I think the road's open. And he said, what? Wait a minute, turn around and go back. So I had to turn the car around, went back, we drove over, went over the bridge, and everything was open. And we were just like, oh my God, we can go over the bridge now.
The days of taking dangerous detours are over for the Heidenheimer community.
We greatly appreciate Channel 6 and the entire team, and especially Sydney DeShawn, for staying on top of this and continuing the coverage of this.
Now, the Wilcox family hopes this story can help inform people that the bridge is finally back open so drivers in the area can stop taking detours. They also thanked Representative Hugh Shine for keeping them updated on the progress of everything. Guys.
Yeah.